I think they're in love, actually. I think it's a love affair. They don't stop. This is what it's like all day. They were doing this at 11:30 last night with all the lights off. I thought turning the lights off would persuade them to go to sleep, but no. They do love each other. Oh, it's a tough job, isn't it? All this play. Yeah. Lucy girl. Lucy. Yeah. Oh, it's tough, isn't it, Barley? Hey? Yeah. You're having a good time, boyo. You are. I know you are. Oh, they'll stop for a couple of minutes, flop down, just like that, and then it'll all start again. We'll have a quick break for a pee and a drink of water and a breather, and then it starts again. Hey, Barley boy.